right, fourth graders, this afternoon we're going to work on our inform paragraph or our informative paragraph. This assignment is in Google Classroom. Remember, you started it yesterday. You should have a persuasive speech or persuasive paragraph already. And your inform paragraph should be 5 sentences or more, again, just like your persuade paragraph. And today you're going to choose a topic that you already know a lot about. You shouldn't need to do extra research for this paragraph, but you are going to want to use facts just to teach us about it. Remember, inform means to teach. And so you do not need to include your opinion, but you're going to tell us about something. Okay. And so you might have, we have some topics here. Let me move this out of the way. So we have some things that you might already know a lot about. So I gave you some suggestions, and it could be something like video games, right? You can just tell us about it. Now, you're not telling us what's the best video game, right? Or you're not comparing two video games and telling me why one is better than or worse than another, but you're telling me about it, right? It might have to do with how you play it, what you do in it. Sports, you could go through and teach me or teach the reader about a sport that be your choice. It could be about food or cooking. Maybe you want to choose an academic topic like math. Maybe you want to teach about the number system that we use. Okay. It could be how to build something. This could oftentimes could be something like a how-to paragraph, right? Step by step, like a sequence of events on how to do something. That could also be an informative paragraph. It could be all about a specific animal. Okay, you could tell us about an animal, what region they live in, how fast they run, how big they get, what males are versus females, right? And now, when I say males versus females, just teach us about their differences, not necessarily comparing them as far as ranking them, telling me your opinion on one is better than the other, right? Remember, this is a paragraph about facts. Okay, so you're just teaching us about a single topic today. So keep your paragraph focused. And so the topic I chose was golf. And so you guys know I like to play golf. And so notice how it's not telling you about why golf is better than anything else. It's just teaching you about golf. In this case, the rules of golf and how you keep score and how you determine a winner. Okay. So my paragraph today says golf is a popular sport all over the world. In order to play a round of golf, you will need a golf ball and clubs. The goal is to hit a small ball with a club and get it to roll into the hole. Most rounds consist of 9 or 18 holes. You keep score by keeping track of how many hits or swings it takes you to get the ball into the hole. After you are done with the round, you add up each of your scores for all 9 or 18 holes. This is called your final score. The winner is the player with the lowest score. And so that is all. It's not an opinion at all. It's just how you play golf, how you keep score. And so you're going to choose something that you're interested in and you know a lot about already. Remember, you shouldn't have to do any research on this. Okay, so now you go into Google Classroom, and it's paragraph number 2 now in your author's purpose writing assignment. Yesterday you did persuasive. Today you're doing information or informative or to inform, to teach. All right, I'm excited to read these. Good luck.